Deb here from Chasing RV Sunshine. On today's video, we are going to give you our top 5 tips on helping with downsizing. Stick around to the end as there might be a couple bonuses as well.
Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb, Joel, and Maya here. We are new to RVing and happy to take you along for the ride with us as we are feeling like we're living the book, RVing for Dummies sometimes. There's nothing better than feeling the freedom that RVing is bringing us. We are an RV couple with a spoiled dog that loves RV travel and feels RV love every time we head to a new location to show you how we travel in our RV.
Downsizing is always fun. At least I got a second wear out of my wedding dress. This is getting donated.
Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. On today's video, we are going to go over our tips for downsizing from our approximately 2,700 square foot sticks and bricks down to our 2018 Tiffin Allegro 33AA.
One tip for downsizing is to start early. The earlier you can start, the easier it is. We have taken approximately 5 trips to Goodwill over the past 2 years as we started this process approximately 5 years ago. But we still accumulated a lot of stuff, especially clothes. One thing that we did was if we haven't worn it in a year, we donated it.
Just like the time it takes to build a home, downsizing your belongings will always take longer than planned. With that knowledge in mind, try to start as early as you can, so when you hit the road in your RV, you can enjoy your first day of freedom. You don't want to have to stuff half of your belongings into the RV as you try to take off to your first national park.
To do something to start right now for downsizing, like we said, you need to start early, is to go to your sock drawer, get rid of socks, and go to your spice cabinet and get rid of spices. There's no reason anybody has 5 different bottles of dill. One simple way to actually make some money off of the stuff you're getting rid of is to take part of a garage sale. Us and 5 other couples are actually hosting this garage sale, and we'll see how this turns out and who wants to buy our junk.
Garage sales, rummage sales, thrift sales are very popular and are a great way for spring cleaning, moving, or downsizing to earn some extra money. You do have to take the time to organize your stuff and label it with prices. Remember, everyone loves a bargain, and if you keep that in mind, your goal is to get rid of stuff. People will find plenty of bargains at your sale, and in return, you will have cash in hand. Tip 3 is to donate to charity. If you have some pieces that could be useful to local charities like Habitat Restore or Goodwill, donate them then. Most will even come and pick up your donations. Be sure to get the receipt for your goods, as your donations are usually tax deductible.
Another great tip for downsizing is get a dumpster or a dumpster bag. There's nothing better of a feeling than being able to throw snow shovels into the dumpster.
One thing about downsizing, there's boxes that we have had that we have not gone through in 20 years since moving in, including finding a scrapbook that my mom had done on everything I ever did apparently. Also, these are not going to fit in the RV along with Joel's awards. He had said something about wanting to keep some of them and made me, and now I went out to the dumpster and all of his stuff is in the dumpster. He threw it away. So I don't feel as bad not wanting to keep any of this.
And tip 5 is to utilize Facebook Marketplace. Of course, Facebook Marketplace can reach people all over the world, but if you have a strong local network, then it's a great option for sales where you don't want to pay for shipping. We found most of our buyers to be very friendly, on time, and no issue with pricing. Make sure you do price your items right and don't just be giving stuff away. I might have made the mistake when I thought this bike of Joel's was just an old bike in the basement. It wasn't. So make sure that you do communicate with each other to see if any of these items are collector items before putting them on the marketplace.
Another downsizing tip is to call your brother and then make sure you load up the back of his vehicle with everything possible from your house.
Ask immediate family or close friends if there's something that they would like to have. Sometimes they will even volunteer to keep things for you, at least in their words, until you come to your senses and want to move back into your house.
A good tip on how to determine whether you wear something or not was a pile system that we started, where I had piles, and if I wore it, I moved it to the other pile once it was washed. Also, another thing was turning the hangers around this way, and then once I wore something, it ended up going back like this, and then I knew what I could and couldn't keep when it came to clothes that way. Another tip for downsizing in the kitchen is to, if you possibly can, to take one set of drawers and empty them completely, and then as you use items, put them from the one drawer to the empty drawer. We know what actual utensils that we use and which ones we don't.
Downsizing is not easy. It's very exhausting going through everything. But hopefully the stress of doing all this will be well worth it, we're downsizing.
Everyone in this household has to downsize, right, Maya? We're gonna go from this to this. Are you able to do it? How about the squirrel? Oh, the squirrel definitely, yeah. What about this one? No, that one? Oh, no, you can give that one up. What about just a rope? Nope, that one will go no, okay. We're making some progress. This one? Oh, oh, don't drop it. We all got it ourselves.
Think I should save my Blockbuster card?
I don't think they're even open anywhere.
We might find one in our travels.
Then go ahead, you can save it then if you really want to. There might just be one open somewhere.
Right.
Maya, what's your downsizing tip? Tip is to get out of the way.
It's working the rummage sale.
You should have had that hand on.
Tips on downsizing?
Don't keep things you don't need.
Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell so you can get notified when our next video is out. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is about moments, not things. We'll see you on the next video.